What's up folks, John here from Dad and Mad. I'm just here with a little solo video, bit of me time. Audio failed again. Little did I know that with the media mod you have to press power on before you press record. So I was pretty good about that because I feel like this is my best solo motovlog to date. I know I've not done many, but I feel like this one went particularly well, and it was a lovely day. I had a lot to say, but never mind. I'm going to do a quick voiceover. Went down well last time, so hope you enjoy the ride.
This is Dad and Mad on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out.
3, 2, 1, go!
So yeah, it was a Sunday afternoon. It was a beautiful day. I decided to go for a little ride, have a bit of me time. There's a couple of places I've been meaning to check out, and this was one of them. This is Lightwoods Park in Bearwood, on the way to Birmingham, and you'll see why in a moment. There's something in particular that I wanted to check out that I thought looked pretty awesome. I wanted to share it with you guys and share it with anybody who's not seen it yet. And that is this sculpture. It's a sculpture by a sculptor called Luke Perry. You can find him on Instagram at Luke Perry Sculptor. So he's from Cradley Heath, which is in the Black Country where I'm from. So I'm particularly proud of this and checking this out. And after speaking to a friend of his who's a paediatric heart consultant at Birmingham Children's Hospital, and after hearing the stories during COVID, he decided to make this sculpture which says "Thank you NHS and care workers." Sorry. So couldn't agree more. Thank you to all the care workers, key workers, NHS staff for looking after us during these times and working so hard. So yeah, I took a couple of snaps as you saw, and then yeah, I did a little cheeky on the pavement, but it was the safest place to park and there was no pedestrians around, so I thought why not. This is me moving on to the next stop now. There's only a couple of stops that I decided to stop at. The rest of the ride I was taking part in the Touring Tribe Challenge from Touring Midwest, so keep an eye out for that little video I'm making soon. And if you want to see more, just check out Touring Midwest on the link below if you want to take part in that challenge. But I'll have some video up regarding that soon. But yeah, this ride was just me having a bit of me time. I think it's important. Like, as much as I love riding with Mad and riding myself, it's important to have me time, and that's not just on the bike. It's important for your mental health, for anyone, to have a bit of time to yourself and do what you enjoy. So this is me just getting out and having a bit of a blast, dusting off the cobwebs, enjoying the weather. And yeah, like I said earlier, I felt like it went really well. Like, I'm still getting used to speaking to the camera without Mad taking the lead, and I felt like this motovlog went really well, and I really enjoyed myself. So I was buzzing when I got back. I told the guys from the Bracktown crew how much I enjoyed it. So I was pretty disheartened to find that the audio was missing. But our voiceover last week with Mad went down pretty well, or a couple of weeks back. So I'm hoping this is tolerable for you all, because it was important that I wanted to get this out there and share that sculpture. And this next little stop is just a bit of something interesting that I wanted to, more of a photo opportunity that I wanted to get. So you'll see that in a moment. So we're approaching the stop now. It's a place called TGI Fridays. Thank God it's Fridays. And they're an American style diner. You can see the Star Spangled Banner out front. And when I arrived, I was surprised to see that they were open for collection and deliveries. So it's good to see that places are starting to open up with the lifting of restrictions. They have to be COVID secure, they call it over here. But it's great to see that the places are starting to open up and get some business back again. So yeah, like I say, a little photo op, so I just stopped, took a few snaps. If anybody's watching that can tell me if that is a genuine New York City taxi cab, that'd be awesome. Although the badge on the back looks like it says police, so I'm not sure if it's been repainted or. But yeah, let me know if anybody's from New York or from the States that can confirm if that looks like a genuine cab and what vehicle that is, what Ford that is. I thought I'd drop a little bit of the menu in there as well for you guys. See if it looks like genuine American dining. So yeah, it was just a little stop off. It was very hot that day, so I didn't want to stick around anywhere for too long. So I jumped back on the bike and I went for a bit of a blast. Took some more photos for the, like I say, the Touring Tribe challenge from Touring Midwest. So like I say, if you want to check that out, check out that link that I posted earlier on from Drew at Touring Midwest. It's a fun challenge, so I'll be excited to see, you know, other entries from you guys if you guys want to take part. Yeah, just a little blast from me, little 360 footage. So thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the voiceover was tolerable. Take care, and I'll see you later. Ta-ra a bit.